is a step-by-step book for class 1. This book is basically started with basic shapes. So, can you tell me what is the shape? It's a square. So, can you see some numbers here? Yes, follow me with these numbers. Let's say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. What is missing here?
Number 3 here. It's 3 o'clock. Let's write number 3. Try to write in a big size. Don't write very small size. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. What is missing here? Number 6. So write number 6 here. Write in big size. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Who's missing here? Next number 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Who's missing here? Next number 12. Let's write 12 big in size. Right. So it's a clock here in square shape. In clock there will be 2 needles, 2 handles. One big one small one. Big one, where is it? The big needle is at number 12. The small one is at straight to 8 o'clock. So let's draw this missing ones, these 2 handles. So for drawing this one, keep a small dot under 12. Then here you draw V wider, and then from this dot you join to this line, from this dot you join to this line. Let's draw this one over here, and the next one to this one, and to 8 o'clock. Now there is some big gap from 8 to this needle. So let's come forward and keep a dot here, little far from 8. Then here you draw like number 7, a slipping line, and then a slanting line like number 7. Then let's join like this from number 8 to this line, from this one to this one. Draw like this and draw like this. This is the basic drawing. What is this shape? Square. What is this one? Clock. How many numbers are here? 12 numbers. How many handles are there? 2 handles. One is hours handle, another one is minutes handle. So let us color this with 25 shades oil pastels. So for this, first let us take orange color. Orange. I'm taking orange color, and let's fill the border with orange. Children, please do carefully without going out of the line, and do darkly. Start from one corner, neatly fill without going out of the line. Should not go out of the line. Do very carefully and darkly. Oh, see this? It's coming out. So very carefully you need to do. So these are oil pastels. It will be very fat in size but very easy for coloring. These colors are very nice. Fill it carefully without leaving a small dot of white gap. Children, remember, we have to learn coloring darkly in the beginning. Slowly, when we are growing up, we can learn different shades. First, only if you do light shades, it's not easy to get different shades. So color it darkly, as dark as possible, without a small dot of gap or here in white color. Cleanly, neatly, slowly. No need to rush up for this to color. It's always better use oil pastel than crayons. Crayons bit hard in coloring. It's not easy to color very softly. But oil pastels come very soft and very easy. Though it's very little bit fat, we can do it nicely. I finished with orange color. Let's go with red color. These handle colors are with the red color. Now let's glue with sky blue, light blue. This is the light blue. Remember to color very darkly, neatly, near the lines. First you fill it near the lines. See children, I am doing it a round direction. In round direction we get the color very fine when we get without the gaps. So better follow like this round direction. You can see my direction like this, round, but not big in size. Small movement like this. And near the lines you can go like left right direction. And do it carefully here. Follow in round direction. Remember that near the lines you have to follow in up and down direction or left right direction as per the line. So if it be beside the line, then now I can follow with round direction. Carefully check if any gaps are there. Nicely fill those lines, fill those gaps. I find here, I find a small dot here, I find a small dot here. So I'm filling these gaps. So that's it with blue color. Let us take light green like I hold like this, I hold like this. So this is a flat to book. So hold it like this and just fill it out. This is called flat coloring. If you're not feeling comfort to color with a big color, and make it a piece, small piece, take it out. A small piece is easy to color without going out of the line.
That's it from page number 2. Children, you find different objects based on square shape.